I think our healthcare system is broken. It does not work. It doesn't make any sense whatsoever. We got millions of people, 45 million or so, who don't have coverage. And even if you got healthcare coverage, you're worried about losing it, right? You're worried about the cost of it. I think the only answer to this is universal health care for every man and woman in this country. I'm proud of the fact that I was the first presidential candidate to come out with a universal health care plan. And let me tell you basically what it does. First, it covers everybody. It's required by law that everybody be covered. And I want to say there's some other candidates who have plans that are not universal. I applaud them for having a plan. It's better than saying nothing. But to me, anybody who has a plan that's not universal ought to be prepared to tell people who aren't covered why they're not going to get health care coverage. Because I don't think anybody in America is worth any less than anybody else. And I think every single person ought to have health care coverage. I think that we ought to give you a choice. You can choose the government plan, which is basically Medicare Plus, or you can choose a private plan. Now, we put some limitations on what these private insurers can do. We can't do some of the things that they're doing today. But we create a competition between the government and private insurers. On top of that, we fill the cracks in the healthcare system. That means we outlaw pre-existing conditions. Never again. No more pre-existing conditions. We have true mental health parity. Mental health will be treated exactly the same as physical health. Dental care and vision care should be covered. We should bring down the cost of health care by doing some of the things I've already talked about, taking these drug insurance companies on head on, and you should be able to take your health care with you anywhere you go. If you move, you change jobs, you get laid off, you keep your health care coverage. No one should be worried about losing their health care coverage. Some people will say to you, we can do universal health care and it doesn't cost anything. I don't believe it. My plan costs $90 to $120 billion a year, paid for by getting rid of Bush's tax cuts for those who make over $200,000 a year.